Ever feel like you're finally winning the fight, only for lust to drag you back down? You've leaned on willpower, sat through therapy, even walked out of deliverance services feeling completely free only to fall again. And when it happens, the shame is suffocating. You whisper in the dark, "God, why can't I stop?" You need to hear this. That cry is echoed by millions of believers around the world. And you are not the only one who has felt this way. Even Paul admitted in Romans 7:9, "I do not do the good I want to do, but the evil I do not want, do this I keep on doing." If the greatest apostle struggled, you're not an exception, you are human. But here, as the hope, the Bible does to just tell you to stop. It gives you a roadmap to victory, and what you were about to discover could be the breakthrough you've been praying for. In Matthew 26, Jesus was facing the most crucial moment of his life. He asked his disciples to watch and pray, but they fell asleep, not once, not twice, but 3 times. They wanted to be faithful, but their flesh gave out, and Jesus said something that unlocks the entire battle with lust. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak. Your spirit wants purity, your flesh wants pleasure. Your spirit wants God, your flesh wants comfort. This is not just weakness, it is warfare. Romans 8:6-7 says, "The mind governed by the flesh is death, but the mind governed by the Spirit is life and peace." The flesh is an enemy inside us. It generates impurity, jealousy, anger, immorality, everything that sabotages your spiritual life. So, how do you defeat an enemy that lives inside you? Paul gives the answer in Galatians 5:16. Walk by the Spirit. You will not fulfill the desires of the flesh. Not fight harder. Not try harder. Walk in the Spirit. And Jesus showed us how. Watch and pray. Watchfulness is your spiritual alert system. Seeing temptation before it reaches the door. Most believers fall not because they are weak, but because they weren't watching. Corinthians 10:13 promises that God always provides an escape, but you must be alert enough to see it. Proverbs 1:3 says, "The wise see danger and take refuge, but the simple keep going and pay the price." Every day you choose to watch and pray. You crucify the flesh a little more. Each time you detect temptation early and redirect your mind toward God, you walk in the Spirit. Your inner world becomes ordered. God begins to fill the spaces where sin used to dominate. This is not perfection, this is progression. If you want true freedom from lust, make watchfulness and prayer your new lifestyle. Remove triggers, shut down access points, run like Joseph when needed, and pray daily for a clean heart. Because here's the truth, God wants your victory more than you do. And even when you stumble, you are not abandoned. John 2:1-2 reminds us that if anyone sins, we have an advocate, Jesus Christ the righteous. That is your hope. That is your strength. That is your way forward. Comment, "I will watch and pray." Share this with someone who needs hope. And subscribe for more biblical truth that transforms lives. If your heart still feels heavy tonight, if you are tired of fighting yourself, remember this. God is not disappointed in you. Your struggle has not disqualified you. Your failures have not changed your identity. You still belong to God. So rise again, watch again, pray again. Because every time you watch and pray, you are learning to walk in the Spirit. And remember, this journey was never meant to be walked alone. Jesus is walking with you. He is fighting for you, and He will never leave you. Don't go to sleep tonight with fear in your heart. Go to sleep with hope. Tomorrow is a new beginning. Stay watchful, stay prayerful. Victory is yours.